Can Samsung Smart TV connect to iPhone? Yes, a Samsung Smart TV can connect to an iPhone using AirPlay, SmartThings, screen mirroring apps, or HDMI adapters. Many Samsung Smart TVs come with Apple AirPlay 2 support, allowing users to stream content wirelessly from their iPhone. If AirPlay is not available, third-party apps or wired connections can be used for screen mirroring and media sharing. 1. Connecting an iPhone via AirPlay. Most Samsung Smart TVs, 2018 and later, support AirPlay 2, enabling wireless streaming from an iPhone. Step 1. Ensure the iPhone and Samsung TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. On the TV, go to Settings, then General, then Apple AirPlay Settings. Then turn on AirPlay. Step 3. On the iPhone, open the Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and select the Samsung TV. Step 4. Enter the AirPlay code displayed on the TV, if prompted, to start mirroring. 2. Using the SmartThings app for basic control. Samsung's SmartThings app allows iPhone users to control the TV and cast photos and videos. Step 1. Download the SmartThings app from the App Store. Step 2. Open the app, sign in, and add the Samsung TV as a device. Step 3. Use the app to control TV settings and cast media from the iPhone. 3. Using third-party screen mirroring apps. If the Samsung TV does not support AirPlay, apps like a Power Mirror, AirScreen, or Let's View can enable screen mirroring. Step 1. Download a screen mirroring app on both the iPhone and Samsung TV. Step 2. Ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Open the app on both devices and follow the instructions to start mirroring. 4. Connecting an iPhone using an HDMI adapter. A Lightning to HDMI adapter provides a wired connection for iPhones to Samsung TVs. Step 1. Connect the Lightning to HDMI adapter to the iPhone. Step 2. Plug an HDMI cable from the adapter into the Samsung TV's HDMI port. Step 3. Change the TV input source to HDMI, and the iPhone screen will appear on the TV. Samsung Smart TVs can connect to an iPhone wirelessly through AirPlay SmartThings or screen mirroring apps, or through a wired HDMI connection. The best method depends on the TV model and user preferences, ensuring a seamless media sharing experience.